not helping. Roll, Shelly, roll. Do the Tootsie Roll.
I am great. Let's try that again. Okay, people. First, you put it back here. Then put it down. Okay, make sure it goes bigger. Okay. And then just walk. Okay. Make sure someone's near you because you're not going to be able to get it out, okay? Like some people around here.
That's why we're laughing.
Oh.
Roll to the kitchen, Shelly. Roll to the kitchen.